Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning, positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, this is a Dollar Tree DIY I'm going to do for you all. And I got this idea from Miss Josie at Life at 50 and Beyond. And it's like a desk caddy. And you need just 2 of these wire baskets like this, 2 shower caddies, and some cable ties. So I'm going to start by cutting these off. And this is a very easy DIY. And I do like doing DIYs, but I don't like to do DIYs that I can't use or that I'm not going to use. I don't like doing the DIYs just to be doing them. I like to be able to use them, or I am going to actually use my DIYs. So I'm most definitely going to need this because my desk is a mess. You guys see it. I just need more room to put more stuff. And I'm going to be using these cable ties that I got from Wally World. The one that say they dangerous and can cause issues. So I'll put these right here. So what you are to do is attach these baskets. And excuse me for the sniffling again. And the coughing. You're going to attach these baskets here like so to make a desk caddy, and it'll work like that. So let me get this one side done, and hopefully it shouldn't take that long. If I had an extra pair of hands, it would be a lot easier, but I'm not gonna worry about it. We're just gonna work with what we got here. Okay, move this over about here. And Miss Josie puts extra glue on hers. I probably won't put any glue on mine, either hot glue or E6000. There we go. And if I had to go back and add more of these things, I'll just have to do that. So we're just going to get these on here. And I'm tightening them up as I go. Because I've done one of her videos before. And I love her projects. Love them. And her projects are the ones that I can actually use. Not to say anybody else's I can't use, but I particularly like hers. I've seen some other ones that are really awesome. If somebody did one that was like a mirrored flower, it was totally gorgeous. But I don't put stuff on my wall, so that's the reason why I wouldn't make that one. Not because I say like I didn't like it. I just don't put stuff on my wall. Okay, so we got that one basket done. And let's get this one done. Alright, my apologies for the interruption. And I'm going to do this side. As a matter of fact, let me turn this. Will it work if I put it that way? Let me turn it at an angle like this to see if I can get this to kind of work a little bit better. Okay, I'm back. Oh my God. Let me shut my door. They tell me it's a spider in the bathroom. So I'm going to shut my door. I told them to go get their mama so their mom and dad can help them. What are you doing? Grandma's work is never done. I went looking for the spider and I didn't see it. So I'm just going to go and try to get this done. So I got these tightened up pretty well, I think. There we go. I'm going to put a few more on here. And if I think I need some more later on, if I have any left over, I'll put more on. Okay. Let me see if I got this one. Turn this like this so you guys can see. So I'm just tightening these up on this side. So I'm going to cut these extra little pieces off here. Okay, now once we get this basket on, everything should get a little more sturdy. So let me raise the camera a bit so you can see up here where I'm working at. Right here. So we're going to come up to, this is the last thing to attach something to. So we're going to do it right there. We're going to do the same thing to this side. Come on, because this is a super easy, super quick DIY. Now, why am I struggling right now? I don't know. There we go. There we go. So let's just cut these off. You may have to actually add some extras to just kind of stabilize it a little bit better. Move this out the way. Because it will, you see, it's not that sturdy. And if you put the glue on, it will toughen it up. So it'll be in one piece, it'll stay sturdy. At least better than what it is now. Like I said, I really don't like the idea of putting extra glue on here. At least not hot glue anyway. But I may, to see if that helps it more. Let me add some extra cable ties just to see if this will help, as opposed to putting on more, not more, but any of the hot glue. So let me put some more on. Okay, so I put the extra twist ties on, cable ties on, and it's a bit more sturdy, but it will still lean. You see what I'm talking about? So let me look at this and see if this is good the way it is. I think that's good. I think that's good, just like that. So I'm actually just going to take my hot glue gun and just put hot glue on these seams. Just I hope not anyway. Just trying to do a little bit better. Looks like I got holes in it in places. There we go. I got spider webs everywhere. Let's see, is that okay? It looks okay. So let me go down here and do the same thing at the bottom, and you guys are not going to be able to see this, so I'll be back. Okay, I think the hot glue has basically cooled on all sides, and it is steady. Instead of it, you know, kind of leaning and going on, the whole thing moves like this, as opposed to it staying in place and pieces are slipping and sliding. So that's pretty cool. So I'm just gonna put a few items here. Let's start with these first. These are some baskets I took from another one of my projects, another one of my Dollar Tree projects, and I'm just gonna slide one on each side. Okay, and then I have this large thing of art glitter glue, and that fits right there nicely where it is. I got Mod Podge, and this is just a small one. I'm trying to think, do I have anything larger? Okay, well, this is about the largest thing I have on my desk right now, and this is S Curl No Drip Activate. This is a 12-ounce bottle, and that fits this. Let me show you on this side. It fits in very nicely, and it's a mess because it sits right there. Let me take this out, and forgive me guys for the coughing again. It'll sit right there. Anything else? Oh, I have this can of polyurethane right here Will it fit in there? No, that's a little bit too wide, but we got baskets down here at the bottom and up here at the top. So let's maybe put it on the bottom. Let's see, I got these refrigerator magnets. I'll put these down here. Got some paint up here somewhere. Here's my vegetable glycerin for my next project. Put this over here. I got some, I think these are called sticky powders. Let me make sure. These are called sticky embossing powders. I got 2 of those, and I haven't used them yet, but I'm going to. I just put those right there. I have some paints over here, and I'm gonna put these down here. This is anything right here. Got my what's left of my Motrin. Put that up top. I keep it. I'll keep the Motrin on my desk. Let's see. I got this glue right here. I got 2 of those. So I'll put both of these up here. They might not stand because they're kind of thin. Let's see what else. Can I put this down there? Nope, that's a bit too high, too tall. But I do have some sequins I can put up here. And here's another little small thing of something right here. Put this up top. And I got some distress inks. I'll put those. I might have to cut a piece of cardboard, or what's it, like really heavy duty card stock, and put it in there so the things won't fall through the holes. So I do still have those small containers of glue up here, and they just will look like they will fall right through. Here's some Nuvo drops right here. I can put these in here. And let's see what else. I just saw something. Here we go. I got this Clean It Clear. This is from Pink and Maine. Let's see. Will it fit here? Yeah, it'll fit there. Anything else that I can see? I have what's left of my Scotch adhesive. I can just put that right there too. Let's see, will it fit? Yeah, it'll fit in there. Anything else? What is this right here? This is, I got some Heidi Swap Glimmer Mist. Okay, I can put that down here or on the side. Let's see. What else we got up here? Got some tape. We can put this up here in this top basket. Sit that on the inside. I'm gonna have to find something to put in the bottom so the little smaller things can fit and stay in there. So I'm trying to see if there's anything else. Look, I got this jar of rhinestones and just some extra stuff in there. So let's see. Can I get that there? Yeah, I can get that in there. And put that there. Or do I want it there? That won't fit over there. Well, I can put it down here in the bottom. There we go. Here's some thread that I like to use. It's gold thread. I think it's a nylon thread, or today it's premium silky or silky, washable and durable, washable and cleanable. It's polyester, so polyester thread. So I can put that right there. And let's just try one more small item. Okay, hair lotion. There we go. And let me grab you guys. Okay. And this is how my new desk caddy looks. I know this is not the best angle, but here it is. And that's the stuff that's in it for right now. Of course, you know, this will change, but that's okay, because you can put whatever you want in your desk caddy. Hold on, let me put you guys back. Okay, so there it is. Okay, I think it's good. I think it may be a bit heavy on that side. I think that glue does it too, because that glue is actually, that bar was kind of heavy. So let me reposition these things right here. And it's this, and let me move that. But you did see that it will fit in here. There we go, that's better. Alright guys, so that's it. I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.